Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change emergency SOS number on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open your iPhone settings app, scroll down, locate and click on emergency SOS. Then scroll down, you should see your current emergency number. Now to change or edit the emergency number, click on edit emergency contact in health. Then scroll down until you get to emergency contact. Go ahead and click on edit. Then delete the emergency contact you have there. Click on add emergency contact. Select the contact you want to add as your emergency contact. Then it shows you the contact. Go ahead and then select it. Select the contact and then select your relation with the contact you selected. Then that is it. Once you're done, go ahead and click on the done button, and when you go back to the emergency SOS page on your iPhone, you should see the emergency contact changed, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to change emergency SOS contact on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.